make a reel using your motorcycle. Doesn't matter what has the winning. Ladies and gentlemen, here it is, the winner of the Bike of Build-Off contest 10th anniversary edition. This is the Harley Davidson X440 created by Bertier Customs.
Good morning everyone. So we are going back to Bangalore today. Through Mollem we are going to go Davangere and Hubli, from there to Bangalore. That's the road which we are going to take. So yeah, it's going to be a long ride today. What a road, amazing, beautiful. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. See the cyclists. These cyclists, they do hundreds of kilometers, 200, 400. There are people who do 1200 over a period of time. Amazing. And those cycles are so expensive, you would buy a super bike. I heard that cycles which are 25 lakhs. In that you will get a pretty Hayabusa and maybe you are Kawasaki Ninja 10X, and on those expensive cycles people can do like 200 kilometers in what, like 8 hours on a cycle, which is crazy fast. And this is Bagger, BMW Bagger in front of us. Amazing bike. And my friend is ripping that bike off. Very fast guy. He also has a fat boy, and this is his second bike, and this is a new bike. He got used to it like breeze fast. Amazing road guys, beautiful road. Full off-roading almost from 3-4 kilometers. There's a patches road, and the patch where the road is not there, like this one, are really bad. A few patches they have completed, and the road looks like this. This is Goa Bangalore road through Ramnagara. Davangere, Ramnagara, Hubli road. The patch which is completed are really good. So maybe it will take some more time, maybe another 6 months to 1 year to complete this road, and then I think this is going to be a really awesome road. This was the slowest part of the journey when we come from Goa to Bangalore, or Bangalore to Goa. And if this road gets better, I think reaching Goa time will reduce by another hour or so.